So I'm going to test this very cheap microphone, which is about $5 hooking up to the adapter like this. The adapter is coming from the Aspen mic. Okay, and I'm trying to see if, I'm not sure if you can see it. This is the adapter coming from the Aspen mic, and I'm hooking it with a very cheap eBay lavalier. Yeah, the lavalier mic. Just bear with me because I'm going to hook this up and plug this in to my new Asus A555 laptop. Okay, let me turn off the iPhone mic. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Not sure if you can hear me. Excuse me, because the TV sound keeps distracting me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure if you can. I'm trying to hook it. Okay, so I'm trying to put it on top of my shirt like this. It doesn't really work. But I will be using a pedal board too. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hear what I say. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normal situation, but anyhow, that's the test we have tonight. Thank you. Bye bye.